So in today's video, we have another mystery box. This is from Colored Raine. This puppy was only $20, and I believe you're guaranteed to get a palette. I had a Colored Raine mystery box maybe about 4 years ago, and it was pretty good. So when I seen this and it was only $20, I definitely bought it. It just came today. Today is Thursday when I'm filming. So if you want to see what's inside, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the $20? Then keep on watching. Okay, really quick, I put up my Jeffree star review. He did the banana fetish. I got the eyeshadow palette and the skincare bundle. And I also have a giveaway in it. I'm giving away a palette. So if you want to see that video or have a chance to enter to win a palette, I'll leave that video down below. And then in a few days, I'll have another giveaway, which will be not Jeffree star, it'll be other things, because I know a lot of people don't support Jeffree star. So I want to give you guys either the option, or you can also enter both. Anyway, let's do the Colored Raine mystery box. All right, let me open her up. I haven't bought Colored Raine in like so long, and I don't think really people talk about it, do they? I do know this is a Black owned brand, and it's an indie brand, so yeah. The AC just popped on. I said this in my other video that I film in the attic on the 3rd floor, and it is like 10 degrees hotter than the whole house. So I have it on that eco where it comes on and goes off. So it'll, you know, I can't help it because your girl cannot take the heat. No, I can't. All right. So when you open her up, it says, honey, I'm home. And that's what she looks like. So everything comes like in this bubble wrap, which is nice. And it looks like there's a couple things in there, maybe about 3 things. Okay. All right. So you get 5 things for $20. I'll leave the link down below because as I'm filming it, they're still available. All right. So then you get a little slip that just says one mystery box, you paid for, you know, all that kind of stuff. So it's the receipt. Ooh, I don't know where to start. This is good. This is really good. Okay, the first thing are these little scissors. So these are eyebrow scissors, which I love. Do you know what I use for my eyebrows? Because I don't have any like eyebrow scissors. I use the sewing scissors. Let me show you. Right here. These came in my sewing kit. And they're really sharp and they work really, really well. And because I'm left-handed, the way that they are, it's so easy for me to cut, because usually with right-handed scissors, I can't cut real good. So I love these puppies. And the sewing kit was like $2 or $3 I got on Amazon. I got it years ago. If I can find it, I'll leave it down below. But that's what I use. So now I have like real eyebrow scissors. So let me open her up and see like what it feels like. All right, so it comes like this, and the color is absolutely beautiful. It's purple. It says Colored Raine on there. It has a little safety thing. Let's take her off. Ooh, these feel good too. They're tight, like, that's what she said. But these fit, and I feel like I can cut with them too. They're a little like, what is that word? You know what I mean? Like they're hard, not hard, but tight. I don't know how to explain it. Than the sewing scissors, but that's all right. And I think the color is absolutely beautiful. So I'm really happy to get this. Okay, so the next thing is this puppy, and what you be? It says just wing it. Oh, so it's an eyeliner in the shade, ooh, maroon. No black eyeliner. Thank you, Colored Raine. Yes. All right. So I think it's a felt tip, and I don't usually use liquid eyeliner, but yeah. But I will try. I'm going to start using it. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to just make it thicker so you guys can see the color. Right there. Ooh, that is pretty. I wonder if you guys, you know, if you can use these on the waterline or not. I'm not sure. But I always say I don't use liquid eyeliner because I feel like since I'm aging, my eyes are getting more hooded. And then if I do it, you won't see my like eyeshadow. Unless I do like a really thin line. I definitely can't do wings. Definitely. I've tried that. I don't know how many times, and I just can't do it. I can't get it right, you know? But I'll definitely try this because I like the color. All right, so then we have this puppy right here. Look at the packaging. It's beautiful. Do you hear outside? The trash truck's coming. What time is it? I have my other phone. It's 1:45 and the trash people are just coming down. Okay, so this is a Rose Cream Blush. It seems like cream things are really in style this year. All right, so this is the shade Stiletto Rose Cream Blush. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's open her up so you can see the, oh, that's nice. Ooh, that's a gorgeous color. It's funny, everything's rose theme, and then look at my background. That is pretty. All right, that's what she looks like. So it's not as pigmented as it is in the pan, which I'm fine with because I just started getting into like cream blushes and stuff. So I haven't got into like the cream bronzers, but I'm going to. I'm just building it up just so that you guys can see the color. That's gorgeous. That is really, really pretty. Okay, so I mean, I like everything so far. Two more things. Wait till you see the last one. All right, so this must be a lipstick. This is in the shade Peach Rose. Ooh, Peach Rose. And it looks like this. Okay. I don't know if this is full size or sample. All right, so it's one of those applicators that, you know, goes straight up. So I'll put it right here. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a pretty color. I'm all excited. Right here. And last but not least, look at this puppy. We have an eyeshadow palette. So this is the Rose Garden collection. So everything is with the collection. It has a little tape here. So let's cut her open. Guys, all this was only $20. I mean, I'm thinking about, I don't know if everybody gets the same thing because I'm thinking about getting another one. You know what I mean? But I don't know if it's like the same thing, you know? Come on, why can't I get you out? Oh, I almost cut myself with this knife. Oh, I can't pull it out. Okay. Oh, gosh. All right, so that's what it looks like. Very pretty packaging. Ooh, okay, so you have a nice mirror. Then it's like a 6-shade thing. Let me take this puppy, this little thingy off here. This is gorgeous. I love it. It's cardboard, and you can bend it back. But look at the colors. So I love how everything goes together. All right, so let's swatch them. So there's 6 shades. Oh, almost dropped you. Getting a little too excited. Okay, so those are the 3 shimmers. The top rows are shimmers. The bottom row is matte. Look at that color. All right, let's swatch you. Ew, that's pretty. That's nice. So that's just going in one time. Let me do the blue again and see. Okay, so that's going in again. That is really, really pretty. Okay, so now let's do the mattes. There's 3 mattes. They feel really buttery, like creamy, you know? And there's the 3. Okay, these are nice. Wow. Wow. That's only going in one time. Look at that. Everything goes together. Like, I'm so excited. Like, for $20, guys. All right, let's recap everything that I got. So we have the Rose Garden palette. We have the cream blush. We have the liquid lipstick. What else we got? We have the eyeliner in, I think it was, what was it, maroon? Yeah, maroon. And then we have the eyebrow. And I love the color. It's really pretty. It's like a metallic purple, right? I mean, for $20, you cannot beat this. This was probably one of the best. This is better than Juvia's Place because I did a Juvia's Place unboxing for Mother's Day. Actually, I bought both of them the same day, and this came a little bit later than that one, and that was $18, and you got 3 things. This was $2 more, and you got 5 things. I'm serious. Right after this video, I'm going to go and see if there's any more and get one more, you know? This is really, really nice. Like, what do you guys think? Do you think this is worth $20? I will leave the link down below. Yeah, let me know what you think of it. I think it's great. Like, if I had to rate this between a 1 and a 5, a 1, I want to throw it away, and 5, I'm doing cartwheels. I'm doing a 5. I'm doing cartwheels all the way down my street, busting my ass doing cartwheels. I think it's that good for $20, right? All right, guys, that's everything. I wanted to show you this real quick and get it up while they still have some available. please like this video. It really does help me out, or dislike it. That helps me out as well. Leave a comment. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know how your day's going. Let me know what the weather's like. Let me know what you think of this mystery box. Did you get one? Are you going to get one? And don't forget, I do have that Jeffree Star palette giveaway. Like I said, I'll leave that down below. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Wow, this is really, really good. Like, really good. It's probably one of the best mystery boxes. I mean, for $20. Can't beat that. This eyeliner, she ain't coming off. All right, come on. All right, let me go wash my hands.